Yeah. So that's 4 again.
Yeah, I think the campaign, what was the campaign? Oh, there's the Selfie Dog. We hadn't seen the Selfie Dog in ages.
Yeah.
What was the campaign? We're happy you're here.
Yeah, we love having you
We
here.
love having you here, yep.
And now it's and now Hampton's campaign is making you happy makes us happy.
Yep. Hey, how you doing?
Hey, how are y'all
Come down.
doing?
We're good.
Yes, go on down.
Yeah,
Can I ride
okay.
with you?
Sure. There's the Selfie Dog.
Yeah.
Brings back a lot of memories, don't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, so we're going to end at 2, like usual. All right. But in between those campaigns was the all-time favorite Hamptonality,
Yeah.
right? But summer really started the Hampton recognizing you.
Yeah.
So, oops, I'm sorry. You okay?
Yeah. And there it goes. And that's it.